Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh.
We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, yeah, the best thing. We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, yeah, the best thing.
Y'all, I look crazy. I just went into Sephora to pick up a pickup order. My mom's birthday gift. Girl, this is a big bag. Oh my god, I'm gonna start coming to this Sephora in Clarendon. They're so nice. The only thing that sucks about this one, they don't have parking. They were so funny. The guy that was helping, he was like, oh, you got the big bag. You got the big body bag. And I was like, yeah. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I got my mom a Dyson. If you guys don't know, my mom is a hairstylist and she was telling me recently that she wanted a Dyson. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get her one for her birthday. I'm super excited to give it to her tomorrow. Basically, I like prepped my hair. I always add these clips in my bangs because my bangs, I don't like them to get too short and too poofy. So that way when I get back, I can immediately get ready and start filming, because y'all know yesterday I told y'all I just wasn't having like a good filming day, so I decided to only film one video. I'm kind of thinking about going in Crate and Barrel because I have a gift card. I'm parked illegally right now, so I'm kind of trying to wait for a legal parking spot to arise. I just look so crazy right now, so I want to go in the house because I got these two crazy clips. But baby, the hair has to be secured. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna take this spot. Girl, I even got the car turned on. I'm not prepared. Please don't let nobody roll past this spot. Girl, hold on. I got a skirt real quick. Car was coming out. Wanted them to know, baby, this spot is mine, okay? So now that I got a spot, I feel like I'm gonna go in Crate and Barrel because Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I was getting, so I was deciding for Eric that I'm gonna get him like a bunch of like home stuff. Let's go in here real quick. Hopefully we won't see nobody because we look a little homeless, a little crazy, a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. But that's okay. So let's go ahead and head in here and then head home. I think I'm gonna bring this Sephora bag with me because baby, one thing's for certain and one thing's for sure. Ain't nobody taking this Dyson, baby. Okay, let's go in.
Baby girl, don't know what you do to me. Calling you my baby girl.
Alright y'all, so I'm just putting my finishing touches on the YouTube video that's about to go up. I did the thumbnail already. I just need to fill out the description box. So anyways, I'm just gonna finish posting this video. Then we're gonna go to my dad's house because I want to see Chloe, give her her birthday cake that I've had for like a couple days now. I don't want it to go bad, so I'm gonna go give that to her. Hopefully she will enjoy it. Tomorrow is my mom's birthday. Today is the Super Bowl and I'm not really interested in the Super Bowl. It's actually going on right now. I could care less to be honest with y'all. So yeah, I'm going to just go to my dad's house, go see Chloe, and then probably on my way home I'll pick up like a bottle of wine or something. I will see y'all in a little bit because my camera's dying. Look, Chloe, we're looking at your birthday cake. It better look cute for $30. I can't. That's too cute. It's so small. Oh my goodness. It's so small. Okay, hold on. I need to take a picture. Chloe, you better eat this cake, girl. Such a spoiled girl.
You tell me you love me.
Hey y'all, I'm sorry I look like a little boy, okay? I know I haven't vlogged since yesterday, which was my mom's birthday, which was Valentine's Day, but I got something in the mail from Skims, and girl, I was really trying to figure out what I ordered because I'm like, I don't think I placed a Skims order recently. But then you know me, like I'm always buying stuff, so I'm like, girl, maybe you bought something you just forgot. But baby, I got it and it's a PR. Like, and I just had to pick up the vlogging camera and share this with you guys because without you guys, this would not be possible. Like, it is so crazy to me to be getting PR, especially since me being such a small influencer. There's 11,000 of you, which is crazy to me, but baby, it's still relatively small. And for a big brand like Skims to notice me and want to send me like PR and stuff like that is just so mind-blowing. So I wanted to show this to you guys. I look cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs right now, okay? Mama ain't got on no earrings. Mama ain't do nothing. I literally was unboxing this and I was like, oh my God, this is PR. And I've been seeing creators get this, but I did not expect me to get it, okay? So I basically have been filming like a little TikTok, but y'all, how cute. It's basically like this little box and then it has like chocolates on it. It says chocolate menu. And then it has chocolates. So they sent me this for Valentine's Day. I didn't open what's underneath yet. And it did come with like a cute little note. It says, Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for the love you have shown Skims. We want you to know the feeling is mutual. I hope you enjoy these pieces from our Valentine's Day shop. XO Kim and the Skims. See, baby Kim knows my hands. Like, no, she don't know you, girl. I already know this is printed and sent to multiple people, but it's just so surreal. And I really want to thank y'all because, baby, I just know that it's because of y'all that I have opportunities like this. Baby, now Skims, say it with me. Sponsorship. Again, sponsorship. It's like, no, let me stop playing. No, but I'm for real though. But anyways, so I want to go ahead and finish unboxing this, and I figured I would let y'all see with me. So I have seen that there's like little chocolates on top. Is super freaking cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and open the other part up on my TikTok really quick that I'm recording, and then once I do that, I'll show you guys like what's underneath. I am literally in shock. Like, I was laying this stuff out because I thought I was gonna do like a flat lay for TikTok, but I don't like the way this looks. But I just had to show y'all because I literally opened this just thinking it was like, you know, chocolates, maybe a bra, panty, you know what I mean? Like for Valentine's Day. They actually like hooked me up. This is so crazy. It's just so crazy because as a small creator, and when you're a small creator, you're just working so hard. And in the beginning, you feel like you're not getting anything in return. Like, brands might not be noticing you. You might not be getting sent stuff. You might not be getting as many sponsorships or things like that. Your views maybe aren't that good. But it's just so crazy to me, y'all, that like, oh my God. All I can say is thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, okay? Not only to the Skims team, but also like to y'all, because like this is so crazy. Skims has sent me like pieces before, but it's usually like one-off things. But girl, let me show y'all what they sent, okay? Let me show y'all. They sent the onesie, which I freaking love. They sent me a two-piece set, so like a boxer and cami set, bra, underwear, this cute satin top from the collection, a slip dress, the slip dress, y'all. The infamous freaking slip dress in this beautiful pink color. And they sent me this cute little, like, kind of like lingerie-esque set. I feel so blessed. I feel so freaking blessed. Like so blessed. I'm just really in shock right now, and I just had to share this moment with y'all because this is an us moment. I'm just so excited right now, y'all. I'm definitely about to eat these chocolates, okay? But I just had to share this moment with you guys because, like I said, this would not be possible without y'all. So thank you, thank you, thank you so freaking much. And baby, I could smell the sponsorship in the air. Just smell, okay? We manifest on this channel, so we speaking it into existence. But yeah, I just had to share with you guys all of the items that they sent me. Oh my God, I am literally shook, okay? Shook. I could literally do a haul for this collection, but baby, I'm not getting on here no G-string or no panties. I will see you guys probably a little later because I'm not really doing anything right now, just shooting content and work stuff. So yeah, y'all, baby, we did it. We didn't do it yet, but we're almost there. I can feel it. I can taste it in the air. And yeah, I'm in shock, y'all. I'm so in shock. Like, this day is amazing. Hey babes, so we are currently in the car. We're on our way to Plato's Closet. It's Friday. I'm done with work for the day. It's like almost 5:30. So I'm heading to Plato's Closet because I just have so many clothes in my closet that I don't want, that I don't utilize, and I'm really trying to get in the habit of not being a hoarder. So I'm basically going to take all this stuff to Plato's Closet, and then whatever they don't take, girl, is going to the thrift store because I just don't got time. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Then we are going to swing by the mall, because tomorrow is Erin's birthday, so I need to get her a gift. I'm probably going to do some like planning, content strategizing while I wait for Plato's Closet, or I might go to the mall and come back. I gotta kind of see how far Tyson's is from Plato's Closet. Girl, I'm not trying to do a lot of back and forth. It's not giving that.
I can't do that. We know you a fraud, you ain't stand up. I get watching, you should get your bands up. Why they don't keep it real, I can't answer. I've been ballin' so long, I can't help it. I need every dollar on selfish, and the flavor engraved in my DNA. They just ride on the wave like Elvis. Then you made this shit clear, we don't really ride with y'all over here.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and try this meal, because I want to see what it tastes like. I'm not a huge cauliflower person, so I'm a little bit nervous about this one. This is like a beef bowl or something. I did the keto version for Green Chef, which I know ain't for everybody, but so far the meals have been bomb, so let's see. I ain't mad at it. So I ended up going to the mall. I didn't buy anything except for the gift card. Child, the mall was just too packed, okay? It wasn't giving staying here like forever, so. But it did take like Plato's Closet 3 hours. Tell me why. Earlier today, I woke up at 4 a.m. to place an online order for BBX brand. I checked out at like 4:03, and the jacket that I wanted was sold out in a medium, so I had to get it in a small. So I'm praying the small fits, because the girl that was like their model, I think she might be the owner. Me and her look like we have kind of like the same body structure, so I was like, okay, like the small will just be like a more snug fit. So I ordered it, boom, checked out. Girl, my package shipped a couple hours later. Like, is that what we're doing at BBX brand? I like it. Okay, I love it. So I ordered from them, and you know they're based in like the UK, so baby, when I placed my order, the total was in pounds. When I tell you pounds ain't nothing like dollars, I ain't gonna get into it, but it's definitely spent more money than I anticipated. I really wanted to shop this brand, and I really want to bring you guys a black owned clothing haul, because those hauls are important to me. London, did you screw this bitch for real? Baby, on a groovy shit for real. This song made you want to fight. She's like, huh? Hey y'all, good morning. Yes, that stuff is still in the back seat because your girl was lazy yesterday. But anyways, y'all, I am in a good mood this morning. Today is Erin's birthday. I'm so excited. We are doing like a little workout class for her. Oh, baby. DC, do y'all want to come here and chat? Because these potholes is ridiculous. But we are on the way to the workout class. I believe the name of the place is called 305 Fitness, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's like a dance workout class, girl. I'm over here listening to music, trying to get myself like pumped up, vibed up, baby, because if y'all don't know, your girl's out of shape. Like for me personally, I'll start working out, I'll be doing good, and the minute I fall off, baby, it's hard to get back on. So I'm hoping that today will be kind of like my push to get back on my fitness journey. Like, girl, I can't tell you how many times I done got on my fitness journey, got back on the fitness journey. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know what we doing today. And then later I got a nail appointment, and then I'm meeting my friend Ryan for dinner and drinks. So baby, we got an event filled weekend. Oh y'all, that wine that I had last night, baby, that that wine that I had last night, let's just say your girl didn't get anything done that she needs to get done, okay? So, baby, that was some good wine, because I usually drink Stella Rosa, but honestly, y'all, in order for me to get drunk off of Stella Rosa, baby, I gotta drink the whole bottle. And that's not even, I wouldn't even be drunk after the whole bottle. I would be lightly buzzed. Stella Rosa is a good wine. Like, say you're out with your friends and you're socializing and you want to drink, but you don't want to get drunk. Like, you don't want to be drunk, you don't want to be buzzed, whatever. So I think that's like a good social drink, especially if you're like driving. DC driving just irritates my soul. DC drivers swear, but now Virginia people can't drive, baby. I think y'all can't drive. Just saying.
We don't need a plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's...
That was a good workout. I died a little bit, but it was a good workout. I did. We just finished our workout. It was so good, so fun. 100% recommend coming here to 305 Fitness. It's black owned, okay? And your fave is tired. I'm tired. At least I don't feel that bad because I'm like, girl, I'm dying, okay? Hey y'all, so y'all haven't heard from me in a minute. It's a lot later. I had dinner plan, well, I still have dinner plans with my friend Brian, but unfortunately, baby, we was going to your house and your house was just taking too long, so we decided to pull up at Crafty Crab. I love me some good seafood boil. I've been talking about seafood boil, so I'm so happy. Hopefully they don't have like a super long wait and we can get seated, because baby, I'm hungry. Like, I have a headache. So yeah, just wanted to update y'all, let y'all know what's going on, because your girl's been a little MIA, but I'm back. I don't know what me and Ryan was thinking, because baby, it's a Saturday night and people be going out to eat. Like, people be wanting to eat, and we should have made reservations. I don't know why. In my mind, I thought I did not need reservations, but I do. Oh my god, and there's no parking. So tell me why we come to Crafty Crab, they have an hour wait. Then I get a text from Yard House says, we're ready to see you. I'm like, bro, okay, so we're rushing back to Yard House because they give us like 10 minutes. Y'all, I feel like in this vlog we're talking a lot in the car, but basically I'm in the car right now. My friend Damo just pulled up on me. She's gonna, oh, baby. She's gonna help me take my IG pictures. I love having friends that support me and want to help me out. We're gonna see what her photo skills is giving, because if y'all don't know, I'm very picky when it comes to photos. So yeah. Okay, Skims.
I was like, I'm sorry.
You look cute. So I am now at the Carnegie something of science. So basically I was going to go to, what's that place called? City Center, but girl, was too flooded over there. So Damo's gonna take my pictures over here. So we're gonna do the first outfit. So I just want to give y'all an update. So City Center was like super packed today. I guess it's because it's like a really nice day outside. So I took 2 pictures. I just have like this 3rd outfit that I want to take a picture in. So we are walking around. I'm trying to figure out where I want to take this pic, because since I'm wearing such a vibrant color, I want the background to be like super neutral, and the backgrounds over here aren't like super neutral. Like, they're not as neutral as I thought they were, but y'all know how that goes. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit. I'm freezing, so I'm gonna hurry up. I'm trying to hurry up and get this done.
I might just say the shit, they be my favorite. No, I do not stalk your page and shit. No, I got my ways and shit. 9 times out of 10, you look better than your friend, yo. You're a 10 out of 10, I might have to pick on my chin, yeah. Got me like, ooh, screaming that shit, that my bitch. God damn, she's so thick. Got me like, ooh.